Today we are continuing on with more Christmas light installation fun here at JTLK headquarters. So far we've got the C9s up on the roof, we got the Snowflake linkables on the roof, we got all the windows outlined with C9s. Now we need to address the lower half with C9s, and that is the landscape beds. This is a cool little thing. You don't have to do it, it's kind of optional, kind of extra, but it can also be done as a standalone if you don't feel like doing the roof, or if you want to accent what's up top and mimic it. This is a great way to do that with C9 bulbs and stake clips. As you can see what I'm doing here, I got my 1,000-foot spool, I'm pulling the lights out, cutting them to length for the area, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make my males and females. If you haven't checked out my video where I talked about supplying power to custom cut Christmas lights, I recommend you check that out. I'll link it in the eye in the top right corner as well as at the end of this video. Very important you get that correct. It's very, very important. So as you can see, I got all the lights cut, now I'm bulbing them. My light of choice here is going to be the cool white C9 LEDs. Of course, we also have warm white and color available to you in the shop icon in the lower left-hand corner. That'll take you to jakethelawnkid.net where you can find all of our cool Christmas light products. So as you can see, this is what the clip looks like. It's just a little twist on for the C9 bulb. All you do is take the C9 bulb, put it in there, twist it like you see me doing here, and then once that's done, stick it in the ground. It's that simple. And you do that all the way down the line, which, by the way, all of this stuff in the shop icon in the lower left hand corner. If you wish to purchase from me, we have everything you need for all of your holiday lighting needs, whether you're a professional or a DIYer who just wants the professional edge. We have all of that for you. So as you can see, pretty simple, pretty fun. It really is a nice way, again, to just make your display pop that much more. This is what we got so far. Outlining the beds, outlining the windows, outlining the roof. We still got some Halloween, Thanksgiving lights on over there. After Thanksgiving, all that's coming down, and we're going to be accessorizing this, putting spotlights on it. Got some fun accessories over here coming up. But yeah, we also got stuff over there that's not lit up, stuff here that's not lit up yet. But yeah, year 2 is coming along pretty good. These were kind of a last minute idea here. I didn't plan on doing these, but I haven't done these and I missed them, so I brought them back. I think it looks kind of cool with the doors framed out. You get like a top, middle, lower. Wait till we fall this in. That's coming up in the next videos. Subscribe.